Picture a bustling Tesla factory where humanoid robots like the Tesla bot assist workers in assembling vehicles, performing tasks once considered too complex for machines. Across the globe, patients with paralysis regain movement and communicate seamlessly through Neuralink's brain-computer interface. Meanwhile, autonomous Tesla vehicles navigate city streets, making split-second decisions to avoid accidents, all powered by cutting-edge AI. These aren't scenes from a sci-fi movie, they're glimpses into the reality Elon Musk is meticulously crafting. Through 8 transformative projects, Musk aims to revolutionize industries and redefine the relationship between humanity and artificial intelligence. Let's explore the bold pillars of his AI vision and their far-reaching implications. Elon Musk's vision for artificial general intelligence, AGI, is as ambitious as it is controversial. AGI refers to highly advanced systems capable of performing any intellectual task a human can, and doing it better. Musk predicts that AGI could surpass human intelligence by 2029, a timeline he argues is supported by exponential advances in computational power, neural network architectures, and machine learning techniques. Recent developments, such as OpenAI's GPT-4 and its multimodal successors, illustrate the rapid evolution toward machines that can not only process, but also generate complex knowledge and reasoning. However, Musk has consistently highlighted the potential dangers of AGI. He estimates a 10 to 20% chance that, if mismanaged, AGI could pose an existential threat to humanity. For instance, rogue systems could disrupt critical infrastructure or even operate with goals misaligned with human values. These concerns align with studies from organizations like the Center for AI Safety, which cites similar risks associated with autonomous systems gaining unchecked power. In response, Musk is a staunch advocate for robust regulatory frameworks and ethical governance. He has called for international cooperation akin to nuclear arms treaties to prevent the misuse of AGI technologies. His AI venture, xAI, embodies these principles, emphasizing transparency and alignment with human values. xAI's flagship system, Grok, integrates with real-world applications, demonstrating Musk's commitment to advancing AGI responsibly. By prioritizing ethical development and encouraging oversight, Musk aims to ensure AGI becomes a tool for global progress rather than a Pandora's box of unintended consequences. In 2023, Musk launched xAI, an AI research company, with a bold mission to understand the true nature of the universe. Valued at over $18 billion, xAI aims to integrate scientific inquiry with AI technology, producing systems that not only perform tasks but also advance human knowledge. xAI's flagship product, Grok, is an AI chatbot integrated with X, formerly Twitter, designed for casual and professional applications, including real-time data analysis and conversational engagement. By aligning AI advancements with scientific discovery, Musk is positioning xAI as a pivotal player in the ethical application of AI. Musk's quest for AI dominance includes Colossus, a supercomputer powered by 100,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs and an additional 50,000 GPUs under development. This $10 billion infrastructure is housed in Memphis and aims to quadruple the computational power of the world's largest existing clusters. Colossus will enable unprecedented machine learning capabilities, from simulating complex biological processes to training AGI models. By developing such immense computational resources, Musk ensures that xAI remains at the forefront of AI research, bridging the gap between theoretical advancements and practical applications. Neuralink, Elon Musk's brain-computer interface, BCI company, represents a bold step toward merging human cognition with artificial intelligence. In a groundbreaking achievement, Neuralink received FDA approval for its first human trials in May 2023, opening the door to transformative medical applications. The company's initial focus is on helping individuals with paralysis regain movement by enabling direct brain-to-device communication. These implants are equipped with ultra-thin electrodes capable of recording and stimulating neural activity at unprecedented levels of precision. Musk envisions Neuralink evolving far beyond medical uses. By enhancing cognitive functions, Neuralink could redefine how humans interact with technology, opening possibilities for memory enhancement, learning at accelerated rates, and even telepathic communication. For example, imagine instantly transferring thoughts or skills directly into your brain. A futuristic concept Musk believes could become a reality within a decade. Neuralink has also demonstrated live progress, such as monkeys using their minds to control cursors in real time, showcasing the potential for advanced human-AI integration. The Tesla bot, introduced during the We robot presentation, embodies Elon Musk's vision of a future where humanoid robots tackle mundane and repetitive tasks, from assembly lines to household chores. Designed with Tesla's cutting-edge AI, full self-driving technology, and advanced sensor suites, this robot is tailored to navigate and interact with human environments efficiently. Musk aims for these robots to enter mainstream applications as early as 2024, revolutionizing industries facing labor shortages, such as manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. At the latest demo in 2023, Tesla showcased the bot's ability to autonomously sort objects and perform precise movements, marking a leap forward in robotic dexterity. Musk projects these robots could eventually outnumber humans in Tesla factories, boosting productivity and reducing operational costs. With the humanoid robot market expected to exceed $17 billion by 2030, the Tesla bot is poised to redefine the boundaries of automation and human-robot collaboration. Tesla's autonomous vehicles are at the forefront of transforming transportation through cutting-edge AI and full self-driving technology. These vehicles are equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and Tesla's proprietary neural network, allowing them to navigate complex environments with minimal human intervention. As of 2024, Tesla's FSD Beta is operational in select regions, achieving milestones such as urban navigation, highway merging, and automatic parking. The future perspectives for Tesla's autonomous vehicles are groundbreaking. Musk envisions a fleet of robo-taxis, enabling Tesla owners to earn passive income by letting their cars operate as autonomous ride-sharing vehicles. This could redefine urban mobility, significantly reducing traffic congestion and emissions while improving road safety. The global autonomous vehicle market is projected to reach $70 billion by 2030, driven by Tesla's leadership. Musk believes fully autonomous cars will reshape industries like logistics and delivery, offering safer, cost-efficient, and environmentally sustainable solutions. Musk's interest in AI extends to national security. He has highlighted the potential for AI to transform military strategies, advocating for the integration of autonomous systems into defense frameworks. By leveraging AI for surveillance, logistics, and even combat, Musk aims to minimize human casualties while enhancing operational efficiency. This perspective aligns with global trends, as governments increasingly adopt AI to maintain strategic advantages in an era of technological warfare. Elon Musk's multifaceted approach to AI exemplifies his ability to merge ambition with action. From AGI and supercomputers to humanoid robots and brain interfaces, Musk is not just imagining a future shaped by AI, he's building it. His projects aim to enhance human capabilities, solve complex global challenges, and navigate the ethical dilemmas posed by rapid technological change. As Musk himself states, AI is the most transformative technology of our time. It's our responsibility to ensure it benefits humanity. By fostering innovation while addressing ethical concerns, Musk's vision serves as both a guide and a challenge for an AI-driven future. The question remains, how will we, as a society, rise to the occasion?